Welcome to the daily market outlook. We are about to check the charts and see what the market is offering us today. To start off, let's talk about gold or XAU USD. So, gold on the weekly time frame, as we are seeing, has tapped out these lows, and we have these lows that this price action mitigated to the left side. That hasn't been taken out yet. So let's just jump straight to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we can see that we are having a little bit of range at this moment, but nothing of interest right now. I think we should wait and see more price action on gold before we attempt anything. So let's move on to Euro USD. So on Euro USD, starting off with the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, we've stabbed out these lows, mitigated the zone, and we've gone up, inducing buyers. So on the daily, what we are seeing is this buy up to the upside. We have seen price trap some buyers, and like I said on the market outlook series 4, I would like these highs to go when we stab out these lows. When we jump to the 15 minutes, there are these lows. There is this low to the left, which I would like to see go. So the ideal trade to this side would be this, but it could still go long from here to this highs. So all you have to do is just pay attention and see what's going to happen. So on GBP USD, starting off with a weekly time frame, what we can see is price mitigating this highs, having a break of structure, inducing buyers, and we are looking for that sell to the downside. So on the daily time frame, we can see that we have entered 50% of this range, and from there we've started to sell to the downside, like we said would happen. So what we can see is that we mitigated the zone and we trapped anybody that was selling, and right now we've seen the sell move, taking out this low, causing a break of structure. We've mitigated this zone to our left, taking out some highs, and mitigated this zone to our left once again. So on GBP USD, I'm not seeing any trades that is going to support our direction. So we just have to be patient with it and see what market is going to offer us. But to be honest, if I'm to put my money somewhere, I would go long to these highs than go short at the moment for GBP USD. But let's see, we just have to be patient. So going up to AD USD, starting off with the weekly time frame, we still have these highs of interest that we can see go maybe in the near future, and these lows. These are the only lows. This is the only low that my eye is drawn to right now. Maybe we could see price sell to the downside, but for now on AD USD, we just have a major low. I don't want to be getting myself involved in anything at the moment on AD USD. It is and it's at an area which I don't know what to do, so I'm staying off AD for the moment. USD card. USD card, starting off with the weekly time frame. You can see that we have starved out these highs and we can now move to our targets, which we have been waiting for some time, which is 1.34196. So on the daily time frame, what we can see is that this price action mitigated this zone which I've drawn, and price has tapped out these highs, but not this high for the zone. So ideally, we would like to see that zone go. We've seen this move to the downside, causing this break of structure, inducing people who want to sell. And at the moment, we are heading for those highs. And USD card is the trade which I'm interested in at the moment. So on USD card, I would like to see this formation build where we move down low, induce some sellers, then we head towards the highs. So that's my game plan for USD card. And on USD JPY, starting off with the weekly time frame, we can see that we have been buying to the highs. We have these highs of interest that we want to take out. So let's just go straight to the daily. On the daily, we can see that USD JPY has been buying aggressively. You can see by the candles all respecting each other. So on the 4-hour time frame, what we can also see is that we've had this internal zone which price respected, and we have been moving up ever since. We are almost at those highs. So the plan for USD JPY is not to fight what the market is giving us, but just to follow it to the highs. So we are not looking for any massive sales like I was looking for yesterday. So we just want to see it stab out this internal zone, gives us an inducement, then we follow the price action to these highs. But at the moment, there are some trading opportunities on USD JPY. We can see ever since we stabbed out this zone, we have been going up high. We have been going up high, aiming for these highs, and we can see that price has been going up high, inducing buyers on the way. So a lot of people have been buying price action at the side. Then we saw what the sell-off trapping these people, aka buyers. And once that happened, people wanted to sell at these highs and also at these highs. So we want to target those sellers because they are now our money or our liquidity. So once these buyers have been trapped, these highs have been taken. I'm just looking for another inducement to go long, but price shouldn't come below this low. I think even at this moment, we can start looking for those longs with a good entry to these highs. Maybe price can even move to the highs above. So thank you for watching this video. Catch you another time.